Hello guys, this video is related to iPhone 14 Pro. I have purchased my iPhone 14 Pro from Kopang in South Korea and today it has arrived. So these are the stuffs. This is the Kopang packing of the iPhone 14 Pro charger, and this is my iPhone 14 Pro. You can see it here. Nice packing. First I will open the charger of the iPhone 14 Pro. So I'm going to unpack it from here is the charger of iPhone 14 Pro. You can see it here. There is a blue dot, green dot. From here you can open it and it will look like this. So this is the iPhone 14 charger, and I think there is no any cable in it, so only the adapter section is available. There is no any cable in it. Okay, I'm going to put it right here. So the original iPhone 14 Pro charger look like this. I'm going to put it right here. Now one of the amazing thing is that I'm going to open the Kupang packing of the iPhone 14, and I hope it is fine, not damaged from any side. The packing is fine. So inside there is another box, and this is a plastic wrapping. Oh, wow. This is another packing, another box. So this is the packing of iPhone 14 Pro. You can see this is iPhone 14 Pro. I have chosen the space black color, and from here we can open it. You can see that there is an arrow right on both sides, on left and on right side, both sides. So I'm going to open it from here. And wow, so here this is the top of the iPhone 14 box, and this is my phone, and the cable is here. The cable is inside the packing of the mobile phone. So this is the original cable, and this is the adapter and the cable. I'm going to open it from here to see if there is any other stuffs available. So this is a logo of Apple logo, and this is for the to open the jack for the SIM insertion. Designed by Apple in California. I'm going to place it aside, and here And now here you can see this is my iPhone 14 Pro, brand new iPhone 14 Pro. You can see this is the space black color. You can see these are 3 different cameras and a flashlight sensor with another sensor right here and an Apple logo. And you can see this is the packing, and this is my iPhone 14 Pro. I don't know whether there is any charging here in this phone or not, but I'm going to start it. So my brand new iPhone 14 is going to switch on for the first time. I don't know how much time will it take. Wow, amazing. And you can see here there is some about 80% charging available. This is my iPhone 14 Pro. So I'm going to select the language. I'm in South Korea. So these are all the settings which I will have, which I'm going to make. I don't know the password of the Wi-Fi currently which is serving here. So the keyboard should be in English, so everything should be in English. So these are all the settings. So this is my iPhone 14 Pro, and this was the unpacking video of my iPhone 14 Pro. Thank you so much.